Last spring, she fell and scraped her knee pretty badly, and I immediately put some lavender coconut oil blend, and it healed it very quickly.
Victoria DeLeo, a mother of two, says she never leaves the house without some basic first aid, but not the usual kind.
There are harmful substances in over-the-counter products that are starting to be linked to learning disorders.
They work, and they work really well, and very often they work better than a lot of the mainstream products are out there.
Pediatric nurse practitioner Julie DeVono is always being asked for her advice on what natural products work best. So she assembled a summer travel kit and chose the most versatile products available.
Take lavender oil, for instance. Julie says not only is it great for burns and insect bites, she says it'll also cool a fever, calm an anxious child, and it's great for your skin.
Julie says the kit also includes ginger syrup for car sickness or nausea, calendula oil to soothe eczema and psoriasis, tea tree oil for wounds and poison ivy, and manuka honey for scratches and scrapes.
This is the only honey that was used in a research study that has been proven to be more effective than antibiotic ointment for wound care.
In addition, her kit includes 100% aloe vera drink to spray on sunburn, and of course a sunscreen. She chooses a non-toxic one made from zinc oxide. Finally, Julie recommends Arnica, which she says is often the first natural products her parents buy.
1 or 2 applications, less than a day, and it's like the bruise was never there.
I'm Mary Musi, News 12, Long Island.